It is day 13 of the Christmas countdown. I'm sorry, I'm just waking up, so my voice is not all there. But yeah, so the day's movie suggestion is Christmas Comes Twice. It was a cute Hallmark movie. I believe it's Tamara from T and Tamara. Tamara stars in this movie, and it was very cute. So check it out. And also, my song suggestions, a song everyone loves, is "Last Christmas" by Wham. We all love it. So yeah, today I made an ornament, which was a cup of hot cocoa. Here's the example. And here's what I made. So this is mine. It's a cute little ornament. And then I have someone in my life who doesn't like hot cocoa too much, but they love eggnog, and we're in that season. So I made one to give away, a little eggnog. So yeah, I'm going to give this one away to my loved one who likes eggnog. And I made it a little smaller than mine just so it can fit in this little bitty box. All right, so let's check out. Oh, can I get it in the box? Struggling. So yeah, put it, a little cocoa up here. There we go. Oh, there you go. I wonder if you can see it, but it's right there. Let's do the chocolate first. We have day 13, which is right up here. It's a little egg. And then for this part of the calendar, day 13. Where's day 13? Oh, it's a smaller box. So it's this. Yeah, let's see. This is what was in the box. You know, we're going to read what it is. 2 brass knobs to screw onto the ends of the 2 cables when using pins for flexible knitting. So this goes with the 2 cables we got yesterday. Perfect. All right, so that is today, guys. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Bye.